Hello everyone and welcome. I am so glad you're here today. Today we're diving into something incredibly valuable in our digital-first world. We're going to learn how to build your very own professional website from scratch. In an age where your first impression is often made online, having a personal digital space is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Recruiters, clients, and collaborators are all looking you up online, and we want to make sure they find something amazing. This isn't just any website. It will be your personal online portfolio, a digital space you completely control to showcase your talents, tell your professional story, and define your personal brand. So, what exactly is a portfolio? Think of it as your personal online gallery, a curated collection of your best work. It's a dynamic, visual, and interactive space where you can showcase your skills, experiences, and the incredible work you've produced. It's where your accomplishments come to life. While a resume simply tells people what you can do by listing your experiences, a portfolio actually shows them, making it far more impactful and memorable. For a writer, it's showcasing your articles. For a designer, it's a gallery of your creative work. For a developer, it's linking to your live projects. This tangible proof is what truly helps you stand out from the crowd. It demonstrates not just your technical abilities, but also your creativity, your attention to detail, and your ability to present information clearly. All valuable soft skills. Whether you're applying for jobs, seeking freelance clients, or preparing for college applications, a strong, well-crafted portfolio provides undeniable, tangible proof of your capabilities. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a web developer. And the best part is, you don't need to be. You don't need to know how to code or be a tech expert. We're using a fantastic free tool called Google Sites. Because it's part of the Google ecosystem, it works seamlessly with tools you already use, like Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets. It has a simple and intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which means if you can create a presentation or a document, you can absolutely build a beautiful website. It makes the entire process visual, straightforward, and accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical background. We'll go through every step together. Before we jump into the builder, a little preparation will make the process incredibly smooth. First, plan the structure of your site. At a minimum, you'll want 4 key pages. A home page to welcome visitors, an About Me page to share your story, a projects or work page to showcase your skills, and a contact page so people can reach you. Next, gather your assets. Create a dedicated folder on your computer. Inside, collect your best work. This could be documents, high-resolution images, links to videos, or code repositories. Quality over quantity is key here. Choose 3 to 5 of your strongest projects. For each project, write a short description. A great framework for this is the STAR method. Describe the situation, the task you were given, the action you took, and the result of your work. This tells a compelling story for each piece. Finally, write a short professional bio. A paragraph or 2 about who you are, what you do, and what you're passionate about. Also, have your contact information and links to professional profiles like LinkedIn ready in a separate document. This prep work is the secret to building your site efficiently. All right, with our preparation done, let's begin. Open your web browser, go to sites.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. You'll see a template gallery at the top. While you can start from a blank slate, I highly recommend choosing the portfolio template. It's a fantastic starting point because it already has many of the essential layouts and pages we planned for, saving you a ton of time. Once your site is created from the template, the first thing we should do is customize our page structure. On the right-hand side, click on the Pages tab. Here, you can easily rename the default pages to better suit your style. You can also add new pages, like a dedicated skills page, or even a testimonials page if you have quotes from professors or clients. For better organization, you can also create subpages. For example, under your main Projects page, you could create a separate subpage for each individual project. This automatically creates a clean, nested navigation menu for your visitors, making your site easy to explore. Now let's add our content. On your home page, replace the placeholder text with a strong, clear headline that states who you are and what you do. On the About page, it's time to paste in that professional bio you wrote and upload a high-quality, professional photo of yourself. A friendly, approachable picture works best. In the Projects section, the content blocks from the Insert tab are your best friend. Use them to create beautiful, organized layouts combining images, videos, and your project summaries. To add your resume, go to Insert, select Drive, and choose your resume PDF. This embeds it directly on your site, and the best part is, if you ever update the file in your Google Drive, it automatically updates on your website. Finally, don't forget to add your professional social links, especially your LinkedIn profile. Now for the fun part, design. This is where you infuse your personality. In the Themes tab, experiment with the different pre-built themes. Once you find one you like, you can customize the colors and fonts to reflect your personal brand. Choose a color palette that is professional but also represents you. For advanced customization, use the Embed tool under the Insert tab. You can embed code from other services to add things like a Calendly scheduler on your contact page or an interactive Figma prototype in a project showcase. Use high-quality, relevant images for your page headers. And here's a pro tip for both SEO and accessibility. For every image you upload, add descriptive alt text. This helps search engines understand your content and makes your site accessible to users with screen readers. Also, ensure your text and background colors have enough contrast to be easily readable. The ultimate goal is a website that is clean, professional, and incredibly easy for all visitors to navigate. When you're happy with your site, it's time to share it with the world. Click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. Choose a simple, professional web address, like your name. For a more polished look, you can even connect a custom domain, like yourname.com, through the settings. Most importantly, under Who Can View My Site, make sure it's set to anyone so that potential employers and clients can see it. Hit Publish, and your website is live. Congratulations! Now copy that link and start promoting it. Add it to your LinkedIn profile, include it in your email signature, and place it prominently on your resume. Make it easy for people to find your amazing work. And remember, your portfolio is a living document, not a one-time project. As you complete new projects and learn new skills, make it a habit to update your site. Schedule a quick portfolio review for yourself every few months. Just add your new content, remove older, less relevant pieces, and hit Republish. This shows visitors that you are active, engaged, and constantly growing in your field. You've done it. You now have the tools and knowledge to build and manage your own corner of the internet. Your online portfolio is your digital handshake, your brand headquarters, and your key to unlocking incredible new opportunities. Let's begin.